Don't let these habits ruin your mental health. Tips and tricks to stay happy and healthy. These habits increase mental health problems. Are you also making these mistakes? To maintain the overall fitness of the body, everyone needs to pay special attention to both physical and mental health. Generally, we all take measures to prevent physical problems, but mental health is often ignored. Health experts say that physical and mental health are complementary to each other. In such a situation, the effect of one problem can affect the health of the other. This is the reason why everyone is advised to be especially careful about their mental health. Experts say that our eating and daily habits have a direct impact on mental health. We knowingly or unknowingly do many things every day that can affect mental health. Many habits can make you a victim of mental health problems such as stress, anxiety, and depression at a young age. Everyone needs to be cautious about such habits. Let us know more about this in detail. Be alert about mental health. Health experts say poor mental health shows habits and behaviors that can have a negative impact on our way of thinking and feeling things. People suffering from mental health conditions may experience irritability, sadness, lethargy, and negative changes in behavior. These conditions increase blood pressure and affect our physical health due to heart problems. Lack of exercise. Making the habit of exercising regularly can be very helpful in keeping the body healthy and fit. Lack of exercise can not only increase the number of types of diseases but also have a negative impact on mental health. Working out releases the endorphin hormone in the body, which helps reduce feelings of depression, anxiety, and stress. Habit of taking too much stress. Stress is a normal part of life, but the habit of taking too much stress can harm your brain's normal functions. When you are stressed, the brain releases the cortisol hormone. Its excess affects the normal functioning of the brain. Excess of the cortisol hormone increases the problems of stress and depression. It should be avoided. Not getting enough sleep. People who do not get enough sleep may be at risk of many types of mental health problems, along with fatigue and weakness. Lack of sleep can cause communication problems between brain cells, which affects mental health negatively. To avoid such problems, everyone is advised to get 6 to 8 hours of sleep daily. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.